How to pairing Tello with GameSir T1d. We will start with the aircraft first. Find the right direction and slot the battery in. There is a power button on its side. Press and hold for 4 seconds. The LED light in the front should be twinkling like this. Now is the turn of GameSir T1d. Does the same. Press the power button on the top of it and hold for 4 seconds. We have half to go. Open the app Tello. Go to setting, and connect the Wi-Fi of Tello. The screen should connect with your drone camera. Next, open your Bluetooth in the setting menu, but do not pair your remote controller inside of it. Go back to the app, press the setting icon inside of it. After that, choose the Bluetooth controller settings, and pair your RC in there. You're done. Your drone should be functional, like this.